Temperature is already 27 degrees. On behalf of all the crew today, thank you for choosing to wish you all the same on the journey. A lovely stay down in the Rome area. Please do enjoy the rest of your afternoon and your evening. Take care now and goodbye.
We made it to Rome! So we just checked in. I freshened up, obviously, in the hotel room. We're staying at the Casa Montani, and this is our view. I never had a balcony hotel before. You know, in France, in Paris, in Rome, they always have these. Although it is very noisy. But anyway, this is kind of our room. A nice bed. It's quite modern. Our stuff. My hubby is here looking at, I don't know, breakfast tomorrow. And this is the washroom. So I just got changed. We're wearing just a black top with polka dot dress. And we're going to go eat lunch, are we? And just for the first day, we're just going to explore a little bit, get an idea of how the city goes and stuff. We got a map here. So yeah, we're gonna bring you guys along. See you at lunch. See you at lunch. Linguine, and this is a ham,
American ham,
rolled in mangoes and bread. And yours?
It's a siren steak with mushroom potato.
Yummy! Sit na. Did you enjoy that?
Very much. I am very full.
You're like literally pushing me. I was like, get out. I'm so full. Ooh, this is cute. But anyway, the food is good. I have my first pasta of the trip. I'm so full. Their smoothies are very good too. But we had a little line up for like about 10 to 15 minutes. Would you go again?
Yeah, why not?
For smoothies maybe, but I don't know for food. But like compared to like the Barcelona and Copenhagen was like the ones that were like, oh my god, we must go.
Just the first restaurant.
This haven't yet made it. But anyway, we're just going to browse around and see what Rome has to offer. Next stop, we're going to Gelato, which is apparently one of the best gelato places in Rome. So let's go in. I chose the hazelnut and pistachio, and yes, with cream. This is a medium, and yours?
That's a large mango and watermelon.
Taste it.
Pretty good.
Yeah? I'm gonna try mine.
It's actually really
So fat, so good. So we just had our first gelato experience. Hold on, there's a car coming. Had the pistachio and hazelnut, and then baby had the mango and watermelon.
The watermelon is really good. I really like it.
What about the mango? Nothing special?
The mango is like nothing special. I think it's because of the mango here. It's a more sour type of mango instead of like sweet type of mango. So the mango flavor is kind of more sour than sweet. So it's nothing really special. And the cone kind of ruined the whole thing for me because it's very biscuity. It's not crunchy. It's more like eating a
waffle. It's very dry.
Yeah.
So at the end, supposedly the waffle, so the cones should be thin enough, and then the ice cream, the remaining ice cream, should fall down, and then you eat along the way. But it became a little bit too dry for me, at least. So
I think it's in general quite dry. It's been made for quite a while, and they made it quite thick, so it's very, very hard.
Yeah, but anyway.
The ice cream is good, but like the cone, it's kind of overhyped, I think.
So I think next time when we do get it, we're just gonna get a cup. Where are we going?
Yeah, a cup. We'll walk.
Okay.
Straight.
So now we're walking back to the hotel. We're kind of tired, so I think we're just going to go to the hotel, rest a bit, get a nap maybe, and then come back out in the evening. It's a beautiful day though, kind of hot. It's really hot.
Beautiful Wednesday. Is it Wednesday?
It's obviously much later in the day. It's around 9 p.m. Oh my god, we're so exhausted. Probably because I woke up at like 2:30 this morning to start traveling. I didn't sleep much during the day on the way to travel, like on the plane and stuff. Anyways, we're just going to go down, grab something to eat. We're not particularly hungry just because of all the food that we eat. There is like a pasta place next door to the hotel, so I think we're just gonna go there. But besides that, we're super tired, so hopefully we can get an early night in and then explore the city tomorrow. But it's still very much not dark yet. We're planning to go to this place. Let's go in. So we can just like make your own pasta or something.
Yeah.
Okay? Simple pasta, really filling, a lot of carbs. But yeah, we're just gonna call it a day. We're gonna wrap up the vlog here, and we're going to Vatican City tomorrow, so we're gonna be looking forward to it. I like getting into the lift. That's so old school and cute. Ooh. Okay, I need to close the door. Anyway, so as I was saying, we're just gonna call it a night, and we'll see you guys tomorrow. Good night. Bye bye.